Hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session will be on Power Query. So I've created a video previously on the Power Query. If you have not gone through, please go ahead and watch it. I'll give you the link in the description. This is the second video on the Power Query. So today we'll be learning how to consolidate multiple sheets from a workbook into a one sheet. So I have a monthly sales here. Let me open it. So now we can see January, February, March, 3 months data we have. We need to consolidate all this data into one sheet. Okay, I will get into a new sheet that will try to consolidate all these 3 months data into one sheet. See how we can do it using a Power Query. So I'm just closing this file. Let me open a new Excel sheet where we consolidate the data from all these sheets to one sheet. So let me open a sheet. So for that, I need to go to the Power Query first. For that, go to Data, New Query from File, Workbook. So why we using Workbook here? We're trying to extract the data from this monthly sales, right? So for that reason, I'm going to select the from the Workbook. Just click. So if it directly takes you to the path, then fine. Otherwise, just go to the sales data path, copy the path, and it's trying to take few couple of seconds. Yes, now it's open a box. You need to search here, otherwise you can copy the path and hit enter. So we have the sales file here, right? I'm going to select that monthly sales file, import. So now what Power Query is going to do is it's going to establish a connection with the monthly sales file. So it may take couple of seconds. Yeah, now you can see the monthly sales. We have 3 sheets, right? February, January, February, and March file. So I'm going to click on this entire workbook because we need all the files, right? So the reason I'm selecting this monthly sales file only. So if you select only this, it will give you the February data. So I don't want to get only February. I want all the data from this month from this file. So I'm going to select this entire monthly sales file. Go to transform. Transform data. Why we doing it? It takes to the Power Query editor where we can do any formatting, and you want to remove unnecessary columns, we can do there before loading into the Excel sheet. So now, as you can see as Power Query editor, these are the file names, right? Here I can see the under data there is 2 arrow keys showing showing the other ways, right? This is nothing but if you click on it, you have the all the columns. These columns has all the column header data. This all has the data here. So that's the reason it says header as data. This is item number, just a text, ABC text. This is a text. I'm going to select these 3 sheets, three columns, or you can select each by using the control, or you can use shift, hold shift and select all 3. Right click, remove columns. So we want to keep this sheet name and the data name. Just click on it. Now you can see a lot of things are loaded here. Okay. So let's load. So now you can see a lot of all the columns have loaded. Just click OK. Now you can see all this is January month data, February and March month data. So we have the all the data. For we need to create a header, right, for all this data. So header is nothing but this is the header format. It has date, region, product, sales, and this. This should be sitting should come under the header here on the top. What we can do is select this row. Or if you go to home, use first row as the header. Just click on it. Automatically it changes to here. It says January, but we need to change it um, to the month. So I'm going to change it directly to month here. So now you can see when I make changes, here is the applied steps. This is the steps. If you click on source first, this is the initial step. Okay, we are going to remove these 3, right? Remove columns. If you click, the 3 columns are gone. Expanding this data. So I will click on it. Now it has expanded. Promote headers. Now it has changed the headers. This is steps. How you what all things you are formatting, you can see here. If you want to make some changes, go back to that step and you can make the changes there in the step. So something you have missed. So renaming it. If you click on this, renamed. So now you can see this. There is each month, each data, month data. We have the header again that we don't need. So we'll go to unfilter that. Go to this data tab, date tab. Sorry, down. uncheck the data there. So now we can see that is skipped. So we have the data. And one more thing is very important. You can see it's ABC. ABC nothing but the text format. This enter column is in text format. Here 1 2 3 means it's in date format. So this is a not date number format, but we need to change this to date format because this column is dates, right? Just click on it. Here you can see date. Just change it. Once you change, it changes the icon to this. This is text, so the ABC. This is also product also text ABC. Sales rep also text. Units is also numeric, so it's in number. So here sales is the amount. So here it says new number, so we change it to currency. Now it is formatted. If anything you want, you can change it here. If everything looks good, and just go to load under file, close and load. So once you load, data gets popped up here. So you can see neatly what was we did formatting, everything is showing here. So you have the March data. Let's go to that sales, monthly sales. Let's add the April data. Let's see whether that's get updated automatically here. I'll just take this same, create a copy, March month, just change it to April as a sheet name for example purpose. So now I'm going to close this file. So once you do, now it has not changed, right? For that, you need to refresh this uh, table. So go to data under refresh all. This is the master file. See, now you refreshed, the data got popped up here, right? Let's say we go back to that and we delete the, or we want to add the April May month. So let's add the May month. So February month, I'll just create a copy and make it as May. Okay, I'll save it and close. Go to refresh all. So now we can automatically fix. So once you connect, once you make the connection with the monthly sales file under this folder, if this folder file name should not change, so that when you refresh the data, it directly picks the data from that file and paste it into this file. From here you can do any plots or graphs, you can make it, and so that it will be easy for you. No need not go there each time, copy the data down. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for anything else. I'll try to create a one more on the Power Query in future. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.